In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between TopstepX and Tradovate. By the end, you'll know which platform better fits your trading style. Tools and workflow, so you can focus on execution instead of wrestling with tech. Start with TopstepX if your trading revolves around top-step evaluations or funded accounts. It's designed to make that experience smoother, with fewer moving parts and a setup that gets you trading quickly. If you don't want to stitch together multiple platforms or deal with tricky connections, TopstepX keeps it simple and stable. It also builds discipline right into the platform. Features like daily lockouts and max loss protection help keep you within your plan, and drag and drop stop losses make risk management fast and consistent. If you're trading from multiple devices, TopstepX is a strong pick because the experience is unified and portable. Onboarding is typically faster, which is great if you want momentum without a long configuration phase. Many traders describe it as beginner-friendly and particularly easy for funded account management. You also get integrated charts powered by TradingView, and in some account types there can be commission advantages. If those are available to you, they can add up over time, but always verify the details for your specific plan. Choose Tradovate if your workflow already leans heavily on TradingView and you rely on PineScript or custom indicators. If chart flexibility is non-negotiable, multiple layouts, deeper customization, and more intricate visual setups, Tradovate generally gives you more room to build exactly what you want. Traders who prefer a desktop-style environment with multiple windows, detached charts, and complex workspaces often feel at home here. If you trade outside of TopStep as well, Tradovate can be a better hub for broader activity. It's also well-suited for advanced DOM and order flow setups, which matter if you focus on tape reading, depth, or granular order entry tactics. Experienced traders often gravitate to Tradovate for this flexibility and the smoother multi-window workflow once everything is dialed in. To decide, match the platform to your real-world needs. If you value simplicity, faster onboarding, built-in guardrails, and an all-in-one feel for funded accounts, TopstepX is likely the better fit. If you need deep chart customization, PineScript, advanced DOM tools, and a desktop-centric workspace, especially if you trade beyond TopStep, Tradovate is probably the right move. When possible, explore each environment in a trial or demo, confirm commission details for your account type, and pick the setup that reduces friction and supports your discipline every trading day.